All right, folks, we have here a gorgeous power chair. This is one of a kind power chair. If you've been watching my video, you know what I'm talking about. This is a Magic Mobility Extreme 8 power chair. This is one of the few power chairs that will go on the beach no matter how hot the sand is, no matter what the weight of the user is. It will travel on hot sand. It'll get you to the beach, to the water. It'll go through all that soft sand with no problem at all, because this chair has 4 motors. Each wheel has a 700 watt motor. Total wattage between 4 motors is about 2,800 watts. That's a lot of power for this little chair, okay? These are low pressure tires. That's why you get that good traction in the mud, in the field, and through the sand on the beach and all that kind of good stuff. This power chair has a weight limit of about 400 pounds. This is a basic Extreme 8. What I mean by basic, there's no seat lift, no tilt, no recline, nothing like that on this chair. So it's a basic captain seat with a manual recline, but you're getting the chair. So if you need a chair, let me rephrase this. If you need a chair for your backyard that'll go through anything, for the beach, for the woods, for hunting, for going up and down trails, nothing surpasses this chair, okay? So this chair is a nice power chair. It was used less than a month, so it's practically brand new. This power chair has 4 anchor points. You can see where you can secure your chair to your lift for transport. There's 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. So it does have anchor points on the chair. It has a captain seat that's manually reclined, so you'd have to almost be out of the chair because it's too hard from the chair. But you can see how it does recline, and I think it reclines back more than this, but I'm just going to show you for now, and then you can go back to driving position, okay? The chair, as I said, it's practically brand new, and you can see when you turn the joystick, the front wheels turn with the direction of your joystick. So let me just do it this way. You can see how it turns either way. Okay. Right now I have it on full speed. That's why it's a little jerky. Let me bring it down a little bit. There we go. So this chair has a motor on each wheel. Let's talk about the front of the chair right here. This chair, the seat on this chair is 19 by 19 roughly. We're not changing the seat on this chair. If you want the seat changed, you're looking at $2,500 to change the seat. So you may want to think about that. So 19 by 19 is the seat size. It does have a safety belt. You have about 17" between the arms. The foot plates do flip up, so when you exit the chair, they do flip up and they're adjustable up and down, okay? The joystick is on the right side. If you're left-handed, we can put the joystick on the left side. It's a swing-away joystick, so you can get to a table. If you're outside at a picnic table, you can get a lot closer, okay? If you're left-handed, as I said, we can put on the left side. Also with this chair, the arms, if there's a lever here, you can flip the arms up, okay? Okay, this should have been a little tighter. There we go. So you can flip the arms up if you need to transfer from the side. These poles can also be removed. There's a little Allen screw. This pole can be completely removed, and someone would have to hold it, and someone can slide in from the side without this pole in the way, okay? So you have flip-up arms, and you can see how well, let's look at the back of the chair. I'm gonna try to back it up in here. It's a little hard. This is not made for inside. This is not for inside the house, by the way. You're not going to have fun with this inside the house. Too much power. The back of the chair, you can see we have a push bar behind the seat. You can see the wheelie bars in case you decide to be real crazy out there. This will protect you from hurting yourself because you do have a lot of power here. You have a bumper here, a bumper guard to stop you from, damaging the chair. You have 2 motors here, 2 in the front. There's 2 levers here where my fingers are at, right here. If you push those levers down or up, you can roll the chair manually. This is where you need to go if your chair ever had an issue. You need to put it in neutral. The levers are right here, okay? You can see the anchor point in the back to tie your chair down. No, that. This chair has a top speed of 6.2 miles an hour. Let me bring it back over here. So this is really a fun chair. This is one of a kind. This is one of a kind power chair, of course. So practically brand new. When you charge this chair, you'll take your charger and you'll plug it right below your joystick right here. And as soon as the light goes from orange to green, you're fully charged. There's 2 batteries in here. They'll give you about 10-15 miles on a battery charge. It all depends. If you're in the woods going uphill, you may not get that far, but it'll go a long, long ways on a battery charge. Plus you can check your batteries on your battery gauge on here, okay? So let's recap. This is a Magic Mobility Extreme 8 power chair. Was used less than a month, practically brand new. The seat on this chair is going to stay on this chair unless you want to pay the extra. It is 19 by 19, 19 by 19 seat. It's a captain seat with a headrest. There is 17 inches between the arms here, in case you need to know that dimension. 17 inch between the arms. 4 motors, 700 watts of motor per wheel. Total wattage of this power chair is 2,800 watts. That's just unheard of, okay? Anchor point front and back on both sides. Manual recline. You have the safety belt. Again, the arms do flip up when you exit if you transfer from the side. Swing away joystick. They can be put on the left side. Push bars, wheelie bars, bumper. Top speed in this chair is 6.25 miles an hour. Great power chair if you want to have a lot of fun. This will do what no other power chair can do, and it's ready to go. So this is the X8 Basic. Top speed is about 6.2 miles an hour. We're going to take it in the grass here in a few seconds, and we're going to take it in my ditch. You'll be able to see the suspension. So this is the one with the 4 motors. It's got the captain seat, and it's a basic power chair. It's got the anchor points here, so you can secure it to your van or wherever you. This one's where? Oh, it's over here. So you can secure it to your van. The joystick, you can control the speed just like a car. So if I just push it a little bit like a gas pedal, it only goes so fast. Or you can reduce it 5 speeds on the, you have 5 speeds on the display over here. So we're going to take it in the grass, and you'll be able to see that this thing is really a beast. I guess if you go over 2 bigger branches, my bad, but it goes over branches. You can see this is about 4 feet on an angle here, and when we go up here, there's about a 3-inch lip right here. There's about a 3-inch lip there. It'll go over that with no problem at all. You'll see here. We're going to go back down one more time. Go up this hill here. We're going to turn around, go back up. So folks, if you're looking for, there's another branch. There you go. If you're looking for something that'll go over all kinds of stuff, usually the branches don't get caught up in here. I don't know how that branch, it'll go over all kinds of crazy stuff because these are low pressure tires and you got all the power that you need. But these are really extreme. If you want to have a lot of fun and you want to go where people, all your friends cannot go, this will go places that most power chair will not go. And it's ready to go. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.